Hey there YouTube, it's time for some sliding in the cloud. Over the last 2 weeks we've covered Google Docs and Sheets. It's time to round out the G Suite with Google Slides. So, I figure the best way to introduce Google Slides is with a slide presentation. So, I'm going to shrink myself over here. Slides are just a way to present information to a group. One of the earliest methods of presenting was with slide projectors. From there, we progressed to overhead transparencies and then modern data projectors. The software side of presentations began with a program called Presenter, designed between 1984 and 1987. At the time of release, they found the name was taken and they changed it to PowerPoint because it was powerful for getting your point across. It was designed to create and print overhead transparencies, and it was bought soon after its first release by Microsoft. With the development of Data Projector, the software became a direct projection method straight to screen. Google created its Slides app in 2007. Accessing Google Slides is done in the same way as the last 2 weeks' episodes on Docs and Sheets. If you're in one of those apps, it's as simple as clicking the hamburger menu at the top left and selecting Slides. The Slides interface will be fairly familiar to anyone who's used PowerPoint, and even if you haven't, but you're familiar with Docs or Words, you'll work it out pretty quickly. Each slide is an independent entity with its own elements. In the case of this slide, we have a heading and then a body, with the body designed to animate in each line when the mouse is clicked. The images added a layer of complexity as I had to split the body into multiple parts to get the images to accompany the text they belong to. You can get really fancy with special layouts and animations that fly in from the side, but to be honest, they often detract from the content. I won't get too heavily into the concept of death by slides, but suffice to say, if you've ever found yourself nodding off during a presentation like the one here, you're not alone. Here are a few tips. Keep your presentation as brief as possible. Put notes on the screen, but give them life with your speaking. Add some pictures and have a laugh. Did you know that you remember more if you laugh while you're learning? I hope that helps. It was just a quick introduction. At the Tech Doctor Network, our goal is to help you negotiate the technology maze. Come back every weekend for new videos, or subscribe and ring the bell to be notified. I'm here to help. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.